1st of June 2021. Here's Neulaskatu 1 stick is A here in Hallila, close to Valmet, the biggest suburb of Tampere, Finland. That's only 4 floors and it was built in 1991 by Valmet Otis, turning 30 years old this year in 2021. It is faster. Amazing. The serial number is B11003, capacity is 4 per story, and 5 units is going to be inspected in 2023. I love this, smell here.
Yeah.
Amazing. Amazing, this fast for 4 floors.
Yeah.
Oh. Might still take a second ride.
Yeah.
Because it's this fast. If it was slower then now it's faster. So.
Yeah.
I believe it's R91.
Yeah.
Amazing, we came here. It's a good idea.
Spektiittaakin vain sitä, meidän back home.
It looks like it's designed for like 10 floors, but only 4 here.
Yeah.
Okay, that's it. Thank you very much for watching, and let's go to the staircase B and also the building 3. Hopefully it's also open during the night time.
Yeah. That's